What is poppin' money makers? Today we're looking at EBF. EBF is Ennis Incorporated. It is a company in Texas, I think, and they make business products. They make business forms and tags and envelopes and stuff, and they sell it to other companies. What they do is not as important as what we're going to look at, which is the dividend. So the stock price is only 18 bucks and change, so it's very cheap. It's something that if you're just getting familiar with buying dividend stocks, it's something that you can do and it won't be very expensive. You could just buy one share just to see what it's like. The 5-year chart shows you it's between like $22 and like $15 over these 5 years, going up and down, which again isn't that big of a deal because we aren't too concerned about the stock price. We're really concerned about the dividend. As long as the company isn't going out of business and as long as the stock isn't tanking, you don't want something that's like, I don't know, $60 and now it's down to like $5. But this drop right here is mostly accounted for through from COVID. Before COVID happened, it was actually working its way up. So I would imagine that once the recovery is back in full swing, that it should work its way up. It might be something that you got to keep for a while to see it recover all the way back up into the 20s from this $18 price, but I don't think it's far-fetched to think that'll happen. But what's important for us is the dividend. First thing you want to look at is dividend history. Make sure that they have a long history of paying the dividend and that they've been paying it on time. EBF pays quarterly. They've been paying it on time since 2013. And the second thing you want to look at is the growth. We started at 17.5 cents and today it's worked its way up to 22.5 cents. So you have growth and you got a quality history. That's check 1 and check 2. This 5% yield is great. That is a really good yield for a dividend. It's a cheap stock, so you don't have to invest a whole lot if you just want to see what it's like to buy a dividend stock. You're not going to get anything like this in a CD or in a savings account. And if you were to put your $18 in a savings account right now, maybe you get maybe 1%. I don't even know what savings accounts interest rates are these days, but I can tell you it's not 5%. The X date is on the 6th, meaning you got to buy it either today or tomorrow in order to qualify for the dividend. You got to hold it through the record date, so you couldn't sell it until the 8th. And then the payment date is on the 4th of February. And you're going to get 22.5 cents per share on this payment date. So if you bought one share, you're going to get 22.5 cents. If you bought 10 shares, you'll move the decimal 1 and you'll get $2.25 as your payment. If you bought 100 shares, it's $22 and change, etc., etc. This is a great little stock, great little dividend. And if you want to get your feet wet, like I said, this is the type of stock you want to do it with. All right, that's all I got for you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also leave a comment or a question if you need to. Peace out.